Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Process Education. Hope you liked our previous video. If you haven't checked it out yet, you can check in description. Today, let's start our next topic, that is addition of integers. As you can see, I have drawn a number line. The left hand portion of the number line in the zero section is of negative integers, and on the right hand side of the zero is positive integers. Let us take the example. Let the example be minus 2, that is an integer, plus minus 3, that is also integer. Both are negative integers. So first we will jump towards minus 2 from 0. That will be a jump direct from 0 to minus 2. Then we have to add minus 3. Since the number is negative, so we will jump towards the left hand side, and see numerical value of minus 3 is 3, so we will jump 3 steps towards the negative side. So 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. So our answer will be minus 5. So now let us take one more example, that is 3 plus minus 2. So our value is 3 plus minus 2. So first we will jump on 3 from 0. That will be a jump from 0 to 3. Now we have to add minus 2. Since minus 2 has a negative sign, so we will move towards left hand side. And since the absolute value of minus 2 is 2, so we will move 2 steps towards left. That will be 1 step and 2 steps. So our answer will be 1. That will be positive 1. So now let us take the example of minus 2 plus 3. So minus 2 plus 3. Now first we will jump on minus 2 from 0. So a jump from 0 to minus 2. Now since the number we are adding to minus 2 is a positive integer, so we will move towards right hand side. And since the absolute value of plus 3 is 3 only, so we will move 3 steps towards the right hand side. That will be 1 step, 2 step and the third step. So our answer will be positive 1. This is equal to positive 1. So when minus 3 is added to minus 2, that is the second number is a negative integer. So we move towards the left hand side or the negative integer side. When a negative integer is added to a positive integer, then also we will move towards the negative integers because the second number is negative. And when we have to add a positive integer to a negative integer, so we will move towards the positive integer side. So the first rule of addition is, when we add integers a and b, if both are of same sign, then we add their absolute value and the sum takes the common sign. Let us take the example. Minus 15 plus minus 11. Since both are negative integers, that is, both have the common sign, that is the minus sign, so we will add their absolute value, that will be 15 and that will be 11. So the sum will be 36. And according to the rule, the sum takes the common sign. Since the common sign here is negative, so the sum will take the negative. So the answer will be minus 36. So now let us take the example where the both numbers are positive, that is 15 plus 11. So since I have told you that the absolute value of the positive number is the number itself, so the absolute value of positive 15 will be 15 and the absolute value of plus 11 will be 11. So the answer will be 36, and since the Thomas sign here is positive, so the answer will be plus 36. So our second rule is, when we add integers a and b, if both integers have opposite sign, we find the difference of their absolute value and the answer has the sign of greater integer in absolute form. Let us take the example. Minus 15 plus 11. Here the absolute value of minus 15 is 15 and the absolute value of plus 11 is 11. So first we will find the difference of 15 and 11. That will be 4. Now, since the absolute value of minus 15 is greater than the absolute value of plus 11, so we will take the sign of minus, as the minus number has the absolute form greater than the absolute form of the positive number. So we will take the minus sign. So our answer will be minus 4. So let us take one more example. That will be minus 9 plus 4. Here absolute value of minus 9 is 9 and the absolute value of plus 4 is 4. So the difference come out to be 5. Since the negative number has greater absolute value, so the answer will be a negative integer, that will be minus 5. If you have any doubt in any topic being taught in the video, you can comment it. If you like the video, subscribe it, share it and like it to support us. Thank you.